Let's review programmatic job advertising platforms. Programmatic job advertising platforms enable companies and employers to purchase and distribute job ads to job sites through automation. A few key automated components of most programmatic job advertising platforms are job segmentation, job and bid distribution, and bid and budget optimization. Let's break these down a little bit further. Job groups, campaigns, or segments are created in programmatic job advertising platforms by setting rules intended to target the right job to the right user in the right location at the right price. For example, a hard-to-fill role in New York City can be segmented through automated rules to have its own budget and goals, completely independent of other roles you might be advertising across the United States. A programmatic job advertising platform can automatically distribute high volumes of job ads with their corresponding bid across hundreds of job boards, search engines, and social channels around the world. Through rules-based automation or AI, the platform can also modify the distribution of job ads based on ad performance. Programmatic job advertising platforms can optimize bids and budgets for jobs, job groups, or campaigns towards goals that are set in the platform. Goals may include a daily, weekly, or monthly budget, volume of job applications, the cost per application or higher efficiency metric, return on ad spend, or any other metrics that are tied to your KPIs. Platforms provide dashboards or data visualization tools to effectively view job ad performance and to analyze trends. When programmatic job advertising platforms can provide both high-level trends and granular reports, you can make more confident data-driven decisions about ad spend and campaign strategies.